This is just a quick video to explain all the different options with Fix a Floor, which is used to fix hollow and loose flooring. Now, when you order, this is what you get. It has a top on it, which obviously you can pop on in between uses so that it doesn't dry out. And you have these clearly marked grooves, which means you can cut it down depending on the width of your grout. This is going to work for most grout widths. The smallest here, which you just cut a little bit off the top, that will be about 2 to 3 mil. So that's going to work for the majority of flooring. However, if you've got something extra thin, we do also have the precision tip that you can order as well. This also comes with a top, so again, it's not going to dry out between uses because we don't want that. But this is really good if you've got really, really thin grout lines that you need to get to. And thirdly, we also have our syringe, which is even better if you really want to see how much you're using, and also if you want to reach really hard to reach areas as well. This is also a really great option, but really great customizable options with Fix a Floor.